Today, let's talk about the four forces of flight. Have you ever thrown a disc in the air? It flies because of four forces. And these same four forces help an airplane fly. These four forces are lift, thrust, drag, and weight. As a disc flies through the air, lift holds it up, and with your arm you give thrust to the disc. Drag from the air makes the disc slow down, and the weight of the disc brings it back to the earth again. You see them every day: airplanes, jets, and helicopters, soaring, zooming, and even roaring through the skies. We may take flight for granted, but the science behind it gives us a better understanding of the modes of air travel. Wings keep an airplane up in the air, but the four forces are what make this happen. They push a plane up, down, forward, or slow it down. So, what are these four forces? Thrust. Thrust is the force that is responsible to move an aircraft forward, that's in the direction of motion. It is created by the engine of the aircraft. And the engine can be a propeller engine, a jet engine, or even a rocket. Engine pulls the air in and then pushes it out in an opposite direction. One simple example is a household fan. Then comes drag. Drag is a force that acts opposite to the direction of motion, opposite to the thrust. It slows down the aircraft. And drag is caused by friction and differences in air pressure. One simple example is putting your hand out of a moving car window and feeling it pull back. Then is weight force. Weight is a force caused by the gravity of Earth. It pushes the aircraft down. It depends on the mass of aircraft. Last force is lift. Lift is a force that holds an airplane in the air. The wings create most of the lift used by airplanes. The way the four forces act on the airplane make the plane do different things. In a steady level flight, each force has an opposite force that works against it. That is, lift works opposite of weight and thrust works opposite of drag. The aircraft goes up if the forces of lift and thrust are more than gravity and drag. If gravity and drag are bigger than lift and thrust, the plane goes down. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative or interesting, please like and share. And subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.